welcome to this vlog. Today, I'm going to share to you how your kananay learned how to drive. But before that, let us go and get some things for the house. So, tara, alis tayo, punta tayo ng next town. So sa mga kanani natin dyan na gustong matutong mag-drive, I would not sugarcoat it. It was not easy. Hindi naman talaga madali mag-drive. Una, it's a commitment na kailangan mo talagang mag-commit. If you really wanted to learn how to drive, you will be reading about your car, joining groups ng sasakyan mo. Like, I joined for the Fiesta group in Facebook. I watch YouTube videos on learn how to drive. So, pangalawa, you have to overcome all these fears that you have. Kasi hindi ka makakaandar kung talagang natatakot ka pa. So, you have to overcome that fear. Paano mo siya ma-overcome? Confidence. Paano ka magiging confident? You have to really know your car, how your car works. You have to know ano yung lahat ng functionality ng sasakyan mo. Second is you have to practice. And of course, you have to get a training. So ngayon sa LTO, you would need to have a certification. Nung time ko, hindi siya requirement, but I also enrolled in a driving lesson. And then, find a good shoes. That's my third tip. As a starter, hanap ka ng shoes na soft yung sole, na mararamdaman mo yung pedals mo, mararamdaman mo yung diin ng paa mo dun sa pedals. Kasi matatansya mo kung gaano kalakas yung apak mo dun sa preno at sa accelerator. I got mine from Shopee lang. When I got to drive na, medyo maging confident ka na. Now, I can already drive in heels. Last tip ko, I first need to know the terrain papuntang lugar na yon before I go there. So that I would know and I would expect na ito yung dadaanan ko. So I would know how to go there. Hindi kasi ako magaling sa direction. So if I'm going to a new place driving, it's a challenge for me. So, challenge ko yung sarili ko. I think that would be all for this videos. Bye!